Arey, stop worrying so much. We'll do something about our field.
Mom, stop worrying. Else your health will also deteriorate like our field. We need to be serious and think this through. Our crops are not growing well. And yields are low even after taking a loan for buying pesticides. What are we going to do?
Worrying will only make matters worse. I understand. It is not like I don't know what is at stake here.
Tell me, what you plan to do so that we can pay off the loan? So Dad, if neither Mom nor you know what to do, why not ask Sarpanch Nani?
I think this is a good idea.
Good morning, Didi.
Yes, very good morning. So to what pleasure do I owe your visit?
Didi, for the last 2 seasons, our crops are not growing well and neither are we able to sell them for a proper amount of money.
We even took a loan to buy better pesticides so that we get a better yield. But this year, also it is not good. We don't know how we can manage to pay off our loans and manage our family.
I'm getting to hear this from many other farmers as well. So, I reached out for help from the local agriculture center, which is sending experts to help us understand the reason for this. They will also tell us how to address it. So, I suggest you also attend the meeting tomorrow.
Integrated nutrient management is the combined application of chemical fertilizers along with organic inputs like organic manures, green manures, biofertilizers and other organic materials for crop production.
Sir, can you please explain it once more in simpler language?
Sure. I&M's objective is to keep plant nutrients at the optimum level for sustaining desired crop productivity. Currently, the pesticides that you are using leach into the soil and contaminate groundwater and surface water as well as water bodies. The regular and heavy usage of chemical fertilizers enhances short-term yield but leads to unsustainable productivity over the years. Using inorganic fertilizers is also not a good option for many farmers due to their high costs.
Then how do we manage soil nutrition?
The major components of I&M are judicious uses of organic and inorganic fertilizers are essential to protect soil health and raise productivity. Judicious use of appropriate types of chemical fertilizers and organic resources. Improve soil fertility by cultivating crops like green manures, legumes, cover crops, etc. Recycling of crop residues and incorporation into the soil. Use of organic manures like FYM, compost, vermicompost, biocompost, press mud cakes, etc. Use of organic formulations, that is, 𝗔𝗤𝗔𝗓, Amrit Pani, etc. that can be prepared locally by using available farm resources like cow dung, cow urine, and crop residues. Planting cover crops such as pili pisara, guar, green gram, and horse gram or moat over your primary crops will improve soil structure and helps in keeping the soil fertile.
Are you serious about using a cow?
Of course not. I was thinking about borrowing our neighbor's cow.
Nutrient-rich soil equals to healthy crops. Thus, healthy and happy farmers.